Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the JBL wireless microphone receiver not charging in 2026. So first of all, you need to start with the basics. You need to try using a different charging cable and adapter. Also switch to another power outlet or USB port to make sure that the power is actually reaching the device. Even after doing this, the charging still doesn't start, then the issue might be physical. So you need to take a closer look at the charging port on the receiver. If you see any kind of dust or debris, you need to gently clean it using a soft brush or air. A blocked port can also prevent the proper connection. After cleaning, simply plug the cable back in and check it again. If it still doesn't charge, you can try a quick reset. For that, you just have to simply press and hold the power button and wait for a few seconds to reset the device. Then you can connect it again to the charger and see if it is now working properly again. Now, if nothing works, the problem could be battery itself. So if the receiver is old or heavily used, the battery may not hold the charge anymore. So in that case, you can just simply replace the battery or service might be required. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.